Okay, we're going to take and use a Python program to get all the stock symbols out of right now we're going to use this watch list market maker, and we're going to export the files to a HTML right here. Save that. Yes, I do. I want to save that. Then we'll go down to here to the extract symbol, and we'll go to the file and get this. So now we have this, and we're going to copy all these to the text file. Alright, so we're going to put this in the stock list text file for this is a symbol extraction. So it's going to get rid of all the numbers and just leave me with an output print of the stock symbols. So go ahead and run that. And so come down here, we got all of them right there. Let's copy that into their stock screener. Okay, but we'll go ahead and look at the program here real quick. So what it does here is it takes the file right here, file 1, and we go through it line by line and split it. And as we go down here, we strip out the numbers out of it. And what you're left with is just stock symbols. And that's it. I probably will post the code to GitHub.